Okay, what does the quant index think about Celsius network? Very, very good question. Because I've gone through the indices right now, and the one that is bullish on Celsius, give me a second as I'm pulling this up here, is the quarterly quant grade. So Celsius has a score of over 81. So that puts it in about, I would say, the top 20 or so, give or take. All the other indices don't have it rated highly, but it's basically saying, translation, if you're planning to hold for 3 months, Celsius is a good coin to look at. And Celsius has been making moves. It's now in the top 40 market cap, I believe, when I checked CoinGecko. So, I mean, this has been making moves. So congrats to anybody who's been making money on this. I know Sandeep in our channel was talking about this project and wanting our opinion, and we told him to wait for the Quant Grade. Well, Quant Grade is saying for the next 3 months, it's looking good, because if we go to Celsius, or Celsius, right here, so it's entering the top 30 market cap. I mean, that's insane. It's almost $1 billion market cap. Wow. I mean, I recall back in 2017 during the ICO when we had Alex Mashinsky on the show, and back then it was an all-star ICO. But I mean, this goes to show you, sometimes you have to just hodl, right? So, because I mean, it's now almost $1 billion market cap, because they only raised about 40 million during the ICO, if I recall correctly, back in 2017. I mean, so that was a hodl of a lifetime. I mean, so if you hodled, congrats to you. You've made money. Bill, any comments on Celsius?
Well, I was just looking at the chart. You know, this is the type of thing that the power of Celsius is that it's been rallying and was rallying even as the market was going lower. Okay. And this is the type of price action that our quant grade is going to really love. Meaning it'll go up. Okay. So some old-fashioned Gann work here. Okay. I remember drawing these lines, figuring that, you know, wow, I wonder if it could ever get up here. Okay. So this is what our quant grade is going to love. It's going to love up and then sideways. Okay. And then there's the breakout here. And then it just goes, right? All the machines, all these quants, right? They sort of all beep at once. I think ours is going to beep before everyone else's. All right. But when all the quant metrics start going off at all the big players, then it just takes off. Right. And frequently, the more orderly the rally, in other words, I know everyone wants to, like, you know, open up an account on Monday, fund it on Tuesday, trade on Wednesday, and be at the Lambo dealer on Saturday. I wish that for you, truly. Okay. But in reality, it's up, sideways, up. Okay. And as long as Celsius continues to act like this, it's going to be constructive.
All right. Thank you, Bill. That was great. So tell us what you think. Are you bullish on Celsius? But I mean, as mentioned, this is why this quant grade is powerful, because we can pick up these coins as they're moving, and we can tailor it to your time horizon, right? So for instance, let me, actually, I didn't really demo this. Let's go to the ratings page and show you how this would look like. This also answers a question somebody had, right? So somebody said, how can you know what coin to invest in, right? So if you go back to the ratings page, for those who are customers, you'll know what that looks like. So now we'll just be going through and rating everything. Just give me 1 second here. So everything will be simplified with just the overall grade, right? So even though right now, okay, there we go. Just had to clear my cache. So you basically come here and we'll tell you on a scale of 0 to 100 which coin is the most bullish on, right? So in this case, the quant grade is looking at core chain, synthetics, theta, and so on, right? So there'll be just one single grade that will factor in all the different data points and tell you exactly what to go through. Then we'll also be adding an option here to filter through based on the time horizon. So whether it's weekly, monthly, quarterly, annually, and we'll also be creating new tutorials showing you how to use it, because we think that for you to really maximize it, you have to know how to use it. But it should also be pretty straightforward to use. So with that being said, once again, make sure you go and join our newsletter to get the email when we launch the new Quant Grade. Tokenmetrics.com/newsletter. Get the email and get the coupon to get 40% off between Black Friday and Cyber Monday. So if you're watching this after that, unfortunately, you'll be too late. So you have to really take advantage of the moment.